Welcome to this short tutorial on using DMPOnline, the data management planning tool produced by the Digital Curation Centre. We will show you how to create a data management plan, or DMP, using Funder and University of Bristol templates, plus the various options available for sharing and downloading your plan. First, go to the DMPOnline homepage, which is dmponline.dcc.ac.uk. The first thing you'll need to do is sign in. If you do not have an account, select Create Account and complete the quick registration process. You also have the option of signing in using your UOB single sign-on. To do this, select Sign in with your institutional credentials below the sign-in box and select University of Bristol using the search box provided. Enter your University of Bristol username and password and complete the DMPOnline registration form. Once you have signed in, you will be taken to your plan dashboard, where you can see a list of any plans you have created. To start a new plan, click the Create Plans button from the menu at the top of the page. The first box allows you to enter a title for your project. There is also an optional tick box for if you are generating a test or practice plan. The second box allows you to enter your primary research organisation. If you have signed in using your institutional credentials, University of Bristol will automatically appear. The third box allows you to select your primary funding organisation by typing in their name. Templates are available for funders who have specific data management plan guidelines. If you wish to use one of our University of Bristol templates, then instead tick No funder associated with this plan. You will then be presented with a new question. Which DMP template would you like to use? And a drop-down list with the option of 2 templates. If you are a researcher who wishes to produce your own generic DMP, then select the University of Bristol General template. If you are a postgraduate researcher, select the University of Bristol Postgraduate template. Then click Create Plan. You will be taken to a page with several tabs across the top. The first is the Project Details tab, where you can add some basic information about your project, including a project abstract. You can also choose which guidance you would like to appear in your plan template under Plan Guidance Configuration on the right-hand side. We would always recommend using the University of Bristol guidance, which contains information on help and services specific to this institution. But you have the option to also view the Digital Curation Centre generic guidance if you wish. The second tab, Plan Overview, summarises the questions which appear in the template. In order to access the main DMP template, click on the third tab, Write Plan. The template will appear as a list of topic areas, each of which can be expanded by clicking on the plus symbols to reveal individual questions and guidance. Write your answers in the text boxes and remember to click Save for each answer you write. There is a box to share comments with any collaborators who may wish to view the plan, which can be accessed via a tab next to the guidance. Once you have completed your DMP, you have a number of options. The first is to share your plan with others, which can be done by going to the Share tab. This offers a number of ways to share your DMP. Set Plan Visibility allows you to choose privacy levels for your DMP. Private, which is the default setting, will ensure that your plan is only accessible to you, collaborators and university administrators. Organisation means anyone within your institution who is signed into DMPOnline can see it. And Public will make the plan available to everyone through the DMPOnline website. We would always recommend keeping draft DMPs private. In order to share your plan with other individuals, such as colleagues, collaborators or your supervisor, go to Manage Collaborators and simply add a person by typing in their email address. There are 3 levels of permission: Read Only, Editor, who is able to contribute to the plan, and Co-owner, who can contribute, edit plan details and control access to the plan. You can also use this page to request feedback on your plan from the university's Research Data Service. To do this, simply click Request Feedback button at the bottom of the page. Another option available once your plan is completed is to download it into a variety of formats, such as PDF or DocX. This is a useful feature as some funders still require data management plans to be submitted as attachments. To do this, click on the Download tab and simply select the format that you wish to export to. You have the ability to make further specifications, such as font and margin sizes. There is also the option to include or exclude areas, such as unanswered questions and a project details cover sheet. If you do not wish to share or export your plan, then you can leave it where it is in your account and log into DMPOnline whenever you wish to retrieve it. Simply go to My Dashboard and either click on the title of your plan or select the desired option from the Actions drop-down menu. If you need any further help in using DMPOnline or writing your data management plan, then please get in touch with the University of Bristol Research Data Service on data-bris at bristol.ac.uk or visit our website at data.bris.ac.uk. Thanks for watching.